welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Today I'm going to show you how to do some maintenance on these bikes. So Super Cheap Auto has challenged me to head down to their store and see the products that I can find that are going to help me do the jobs for all the maintenance on these bikes. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in the car, head down to the store and check out their range of motorcycle products. I just wanted to have a quick little chat to you about your local motorbike shop and Super Cheap Auto. So it is really important to have a good relationship with your local motorbike shop. They can get in all your parts, you can get all your riding gear from there, but unfortunately they are closed sometimes when you need them. Saturdays, Sundays, late at night before a ride, something like that, and you can be left in the lurch sometimes. So we're heading down now to the Super Cheap to check out their full range of Penrite oil products. Again, something I didn't really know about. So we'll see what they've got. I've bought a few things before for road bikes. I've always used Penrite oils in my cars, but it's time to see what they got for motorbikes specifically, and also more specifically dirt bike stuff. So let's get into the store and check it out. So heading into the store here, and I am feeling like a kid on Christmas Day. I grab my basket and make a beeline straight for the motorcycle aisle. Sitting in front of me was a huge range of motorcycle products, from lifts to oils to filters to all sorts of things, and it was really well stocked with all the Penrite oil products. After being confronted with so many different oil products, it was time to hit up the little iPad here and check out exactly what I needed for my bike. So now that I knew exactly what I needed, it was time to grab the Penrite products that I wanted and head on home. Alright, so we're back in the shed and it's time to get motivated to do some of these maintenance jobs. I've got a small range of the products here from the Penrite oil range, and these are going to help us to do the maintenance jobs. We're going to do some separate videos on how to clean and oil your filter, how to lube and clean your chain properly, and some of the oils that we use in our motorbikes. I've got to say a massive thank you to Super Cheap Auto for challenging me today to find the products to do these maintenance jobs. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, favorite, subscribe, notification, thumbs up, all of that other social media stuff, and I'll see you on the next video.